would you do that?
That's for the lies. And that's
For everything,
for everything else.
That's for kidnapping.
That's for kidnapping me. And that's for everything else.
everything else.
Ow, that's for scaring me.
Okay, is it always gonna be like this?
Always gonna be this way? Because I could
And
get
that's
used to it.
for everything else.